What we'll do is I'm gonna knock on the door again, we're really getting it all up, and then I'm just gonna tell them we're going back there.
Okay.
What's his last name?
Steve Thompson.
I'm hearing the dogs barking anymore.
I think they were next door.
Oh, I thought he was yelling at him.
No, there was a dog here.
Yeah.
I think he's got at least one.
No, I have to shut my breath.